Light and shadow, a symphony of deep-sea vision. The eternal cave, this is not the ocean, but an underground limestone labyrinth, a place where sunlight has never penetrated. The water is still and clear, yet perpetually dark. Here lives the cave-blind fish. Thousands of generations ago, their ancestors became trapped here. Eyesight, a precious asset on the surface, became a useless energetic burden in this darkness. Evolutionary regression. These fish have no eyes. They have empty sockets covered by skin, but they are not blind. They sense. They utilize the lateral line system to detect minuscule vibrations, creating a sonic map of the environment. They have traded light for touch. The energy once used to nourish the retina is now redirected to enhance their smell, hearing, and pressure sensitivity. They move like silver boats, knowing exactly when a pebble drops or when another fish swims by, simply by listening to the water displacement. Their loss is a biological triumph in a world that has no need for light. The twilight zone. Between 200 and 1,000 meters, sunlight has gone, but there is another light source, bioluminescence, the flashing pinpricks of light from living organisms. This is the habitat of the bare-eye fish, a creature equipped with one of the most complex and astonishing visual apparatuses on Earth. The glass canopy. Its head is not a normal skull. It is a transparent, fluid-filled dome encased all around. It looks like a fighter jet cockpit. The tubular eyes. Inside that dome are two large, shiny green tubular eyes. These eyes do not look forward. Initially, they point straight up. They are designed to maximize the scan of faint light streaks from the surface, or, more importantly, to detect the silhouette of prey swimming overhead. The green color of the retina is tuned to filter out any background light and intensify the weak bioluminescence. A small jellyfish swims above. The bare-eye fish does not look directly at it. It uses its tubular eyes to look through the transparent dome, staring straight up. When the prey comes into range, the bare-eye fish can rotate its eyes forward, turning them into powerful binoculars for an instant, precise target lock. It is a living telescope, a supreme adaptation to harness the last source of light. A brief encounter. Imagine a brief encounter. A cave-blind fish is accidentally swept out into the ocean and sinks into the twilight zone, an almost impossible event. The blind fish, it senses the pressure displacement of the approaching bare-eye fish, a shapeless vibration. It sees no light, no color. The bare-eye fish, it scans the surroundings slowly. It sees everything. It spots bioluminescent organisms and detects subtle water movements. It can clearly perceive the presence of the blind object, even though it emits no light itself. In this confrontation, there was no violence, only contrast. One side chose to discard light, deferring evolution to achieve extraordinary energy efficiency and tactile perception. The other side chose to fully utilize light, investing all biological resources into a protected, hyper-optimized visual apparatus. Ultimately, the blind fish retreats into the chaotic darkness, where its sensitivity reigns supreme. The bare eye continues its upward scan, searching for the glittering sparks that ordinary eyes missed long ago. And sometimes it's about seeing selectively, filtering out the world to find a small, essential spark of light. Regardless of the evolutionary direction, each species is a master of survival, having turned a harsh environment into an advantage. We are only just beginning to understand what is truly staring back at us from the abyss. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing to the channel to help me continue exploring the